Wake up. What are you doing over here?
I am tired.
We have an alert roll-on that I think would work really well for you.
Perfect. Let's get to it.
All right, so in this roll-on, we have our Fir Needle Essential Oil, Bane's Essential Oil, Coffee Essential Oil, and then fractionated coconut oil.
Yeah, all these essential oils are very energizing. They'll make you feel more alert, thus the name Alert Roll-On.
All right.
And the coconut oil is our carrier oil, and that makes the essential oil safe to use on our skin. But if you don't have coconut oil, then you can substitute it with a different carrier oil like almond oil or olive oil.
Perfect.
Cool.
Here we go. So 2 of each.
Yep.
All right.
Give it a swirl to make sure those essential oils mix up. I can smell it and I'm like, woo, I'm awake now. And then this is a 10 milliliter bottle. So for 10 milliliters of coconut oil, you can just fill it up to the curvy part.
Mama.
All right, once that is in there, you can put your roller top on. Push it in there, give it a little oomph, and then swirl it around or shake it. And for like 30 seconds or so, that'll make it nice and mixed.
Shake, 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 shake. Probably good.
Yeah. And then apply it to pulse points when you need energy or to be more alert. So like your wrists, behind your ears.
Ooh, it smells really good. Yay. All right, now we just need to label it.
Yep, don't forget to label it. Otherwise you'll have this amber bottle with mysterious liquid and you won't know what's in it. So labeling it is important. Woo! Look at that.
Perfect.
Beautiful. So we've got an alert roll-on with energizing essential oils that will help you wake up, which is around here. It gets dark around 4:30 at this time of year because it's winter in Wisconsin. And so when it's dark out, I always have a harder time driving.
Me too.
It just makes me feel more tired.
Yep.
So this will help me get home more safely.
Perfect.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists for Simply Earth. We love using essential oils and teaching people how to use them to make their homes toxin-free.
So to find out some cool, fun recipes, go to simplyearth.com. We also have a fun blog post.
And the blog post has the how-tos and everything you need to know to make this recipe. That is at blog.simplyearth.com. You can just search alert in the search box and it will pop up.
Or you can search for some of our past recipes as well.
Yes. Everything you need to make for this recipe is in our monthly box. So be sure to check out our recipe box too if you would like to make your home toxin-free.
See you later.